Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Katepwa South in the beautiful Qu'Appelle Valley of Saskatchewan. This quiet lakeside community is found along the shores of Katepwa Lake, one of 4 long, narrow lakes in this valley. The Qu'Appelle Valley is known for its rolling hills, winding roads, and peaceful water, a special place that has been loved by people for many generations. The name Qu'Appelle means "who calls" in French, coming from a legend about voices heard calling across the valley. Katepwa South is a popular spot for summer cottages, fishing, boating, and relaxing by the lake. The area is surrounded by trees and gentle hills, making it a great place for walking, bird watching, and enjoying nature. This lakeside community has deep roots with indigenous peoples, settlers, and travelers who have passed through the valley over the years. The land holds stories from long ago and continues to be a peaceful gathering place for families and friends. With its calm water, green hills, and friendly spirit, Katepwa South is a wonderful stop in Saskatchewan's Qu'Appelle Valley. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Katepwa South, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.